Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives in OPPO Pad Air. And to do this, you'll need to click on the Google Play Store icon. Right here in the Google Play Store, you'll need to find an app called RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button, then select this one and click on install. When it's ready, tap the open. Allow to access and manage all files and go back. Allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From here, this app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.